Hi guys, I'm Ray Hagemeister. Behind me is my 2012 Ram 3500. So I've got the 8-inch BDS kit on here. We've got it turned up just a little bit. That's not suggested, by the way, but to fit the 40-inch tires on here with the 22x12 fuel wheels, road armor bumpers front and rear on it. I modified the front one a little bit so that I could fit the factory fog lights in it. I did add the pre-runner bar to it as well. And the guys down at Tri-State Line-X down there sprayed my bumpers with their material there to make it so that I'm not gonna have to worry about rusting issues whatsoever. Oracle headlights in it. With the halos as well, keeps the front end looking nice and sharp. I do have the amp steps on there. Wife and kids, they need to get in too. So I did have fender flares on there to help with the tires that do stick out just a little bit there. They are body colored as well. For performance stuff, I do have SB intake on there. That's one of our favorite ones to go with. MagnaFlow exhaust, 5-inch exhaust to an 8-inch tip. So I do have the 8-inch BDS kit on here. It's the coilovers that does come with it. I do have the Glide Ride springs on the back of it. I did add a little bit of extra lift on there to help clear the 40s. I went with BDS because after quite a few months of research on it, that was the best one for it, the best one for a 1-ton pickup. So I went with BDS and I used the Fox shocks because of it being a heavier truck. Fox kept the wheels on the road, kept the tires in contact, and I went with the Fox stabilizer as well, keeping them 40s in control. I built this truck as my family vehicle, if you will. I've got a small family and I built this on purpose so that I can go anywhere or do anything I need to with it. I do a slight amount of hauling with it. We had a camper that we used to use, and for the most part, it's my family vehicle. So we use this to go all over the country, baseball games, softball games, that kind of stuff. With the BDS there, I chose that kit mainly for the fact that they do have a great reputation, and for this truck, I wanted to know that I could go anywhere I needed to go and not have to worry about any kind of part breaking or any part that not working the way that it's supposed to. So again, BDS was the way to go with this one for my daily driver. So heavy duty trucks are all the rage nowadays too. So if it comes time to build your truck, go with something that can take it, something that's built to go with the heavy duty trucks. Go with a BDS kit.